Experience the adventure like never before with the 2025 Jeep Wrangler Sahara 4-door 4x4. In bright white, this SUV is built to conquer both city streets and rugged trails. Under the hood, you'll find a 2.0-liter i4 turbo engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission for smooth and powerful performance. The Sahara comes equipped with features like LED reflector headlamps, a Sky One touch power top, and body color fender flares. Inside, enjoy a 12.3-inch Uconnect 5 touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, heated front seats, and heated steering wheel for year-round comfort. Safety is a priority with the adaptive cruise control, full speed forward collision warning, and advanced brake assist. Plus, with the trailer tow group, you're ready for any adventure. Experience the legend of Jeep. Whitesidecars.com, where your satisfaction comes first.